welcome to you all, and thank you for joining us for this unique SGS SAMPLIFLY event.
The launch of SAMPLIFLY, embedded in the sustainability strategy of SGS, marks a milestone for the testing, inspection and certification industry, as well as for the future of drone logistics.
2 years ago, it all started with the idea, what if we could use drones? But not only to use drone in a single trajectory, but by doing it in a transportation network model where we have a full integrated logistics flow and a digital workflow as well to keep it embedded into the entire logistics chain.
After more than 2 years of exploring, developing and intensively testing, we are proud to say that we have now a viable, a feasible and desirable business model.